Now, let's proceed to the CarPlay installation tutorial of SF90 Ferrari. We're going to remove the storage box. He had screws here before dismantling. It's blocked by the cover here. Now we're going to put this under the steering wheel first. To cover plates removed, he has a screw here, and then there's a screw with one side. Remove these 3 screws. First, after the 3 screws are removed, let's take out the steering wheel cover below. This cover is pulled out. Take it out here. Just pull this piece out. Be careful when pulling it out. Don't pull it off. Unplug it. Remove the board. We will first remove the cover plate under the storage box. Here are 3 screws. One here, one here. This cover here needs to be removed. And then there's a screw under there. Take this cover off first. And here's a screw. After removing this screw, pull this cover out. We remove the 3 screws under the storage box. One here. Here's another one. Here's another one. Then there are 2 more on the outside. Here's one. This one. There are 3 screws on the storage box. And there's a screw here. Here's one. One here. There is one here. Here's a screw. Then this mainframe cover. This screw should also be removed. Two screws in total. After removing these 2 screws, pull the entire storage box out. Pay attention to the light above when pulling. His wire will jam. Take the lamp down first. You could take a 1-word knife, top it like this. Unplug first. Pull the entire storage box out. There's another sensor here. Just press it. Then we cannot dismantle the host. If you disassemble the host, There are 5 screws here and another one next to it. A total of 6 screws can be removed. You can also save time and choose not to dismantle it. If you don't remove it, plug the power plug. This brown one, pull out the power plug. There is another one with a video plug inside. Green video plug. This green video plug unplugs it out. Then plug it into our CarPlay console. That's it. Pull this brown plug out. Then plug in, and there is a green one. This green plug pulls it out. Then plug it into our CarPlay module. Plug the power plug of the host. Connect with our CarPlay module plugs. This plug needs to be plugged back into the host. Then plug our video in. It's done.